All right, thanks, Nancy. One of the hardest hit areas of the state was Santa Fe, with some spots in the capital recording nearly a half a foot of snow, far more than anyone expected. News 13's Alex Goldsmith made the trip up north. He's here with the video.
Crystal, Santa fans were expecting a couple of inches at most from this storm. What they got instead was a beautiful but dangerous winter wonderland. After weeks of far too dry conditions in the land of enchantment, winter finally arrived. This storm made up for lost time Sunday afternoon. The recently lit Capitol Christmas tree looked a little more festive, as did the roundhouse itself. Santa Fe's famous plaza appeared to get a little more than average when it came to the snow-covered sidewalks. It was all enough to bring tourists and locals alike outside to enjoy the fresh snowpack.
We've been missing this for so long.
We're so excited. We love it. It was supposed to be 2 inches, and so we're seeing like 4 to 6, so we can't wait. Bring it on.
The inches piled up quickly in the capital city, which made for a mess on city roads as well as the freeway. Within an hour and a half of snowflakes starting to fall, this SUV rolled onto its side just past the Cerrillos Road exit. A state police officer on scene told me the driver simply rolled down the passenger window and took off. The quick snow dump was enough to force state police to close I-25 southbound between Santa Fe and La Cienega. But even after it reopened, it was tough sledding for drivers. Accidents in both directions on I-25 slowed traffic to a crawl and even shut down I-25 northbound ahead of La Bajada Hill. If you want a sense of how dry it's been, Santa Fe itself got less than 1/10 of an inch of precipitation in November. It's unclear just how much water the city got today, but nearly 6 inches worth of snow can't hurt. Back to you, Crystal.